Pinnacle Blooms Network, Santosh Hyderabad. Today's activity is Mosaic fun activity. This activity basically it comprises of a board which has got different holes on it, and secondly it has got 4 different colors of pegs, small pegs which have. And now we have to arrange these pegs. Like we'll ask the child to first pick a color identification. We can work on that. Pick green color, yellow, red, and blue. So we'll ask the child to first pick green, red color, then he'll pick red. So this way we can work on color identification. Second thing, we'll ask the child placement thing. So this will work on precision and prehension. Like these are fine motor activities. So we'll ask the child to arrange this yellow in a complete line, in a complete manner. In this way, according to a therapist, we can ask a command. The child will follow the commands. So basically, we'll ask the child to arrange all the greens over here and reds over here and blues over here. So once we are done with this, we'll ask the child to make objects. Like for example, like animal. We'll see, for example, like this is a duck. So we'll ask the child to see this duck and arrange the same in the order. This will improve his child's hand-eye coordination, command following, eye contact, as well as it will improve the imagination power and explore your child's creativity. Thank you.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special edu healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.